Hey there, welcome to the Elite Service Masters channel. Are you tired of dealing with those constant home maintenance headaches? Well, stick around because today we've got 5 genius home maintenance hacks that will not only save you time and effort, but will also keep your home in tip-top shape without breaking the bank. Whether you're a DIY newbie or a seasoned pro, these simple and budget-friendly tricks are perfect for everyone. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about a common household issue: clogged drains. Instead of reaching for harsh chemicals, here's an eco-friendly and effective solution. Grab a cup of baking soda and pour it down the drain, followed by a cup of vinegar. Wait for that satisfying fizzing reaction. We all love that part, right? Then, after about 15 minutes, flush it with hot water. The baking soda and vinegar combo breaks down grime and buildup, leaving your drain flowing freely again. Pro tip, doing this once a month can help prevent future clogs altogether. Next, we've all had this frustrating experience. You try to unscrew something, but the screw is stripped and your screwdriver just keeps slipping. Here's a quick fix. Grab a rubber band. Place the rubber band over the head of the screw, press your screwdriver down into the rubber band, and twist. The rubber band provides extra grip, helping your screwdriver latch onto the stripped screw, making it easy to remove. This hack works like magic and saves you the headache of drilling out stuck screws. Ever notice those tiny nail holes in your walls after you move a picture frame? Instead of breaking out the spackle and paint, try this simple trick. Use a bar of soap. Rub a dry bar of white soap over the hole in a circular motion. The soap will fill in the small gaps and blend with your wall. Just wipe away any excess and voila, hole patched in seconds. This quick fix is perfect if you're renting and need to patch things up before moving out. Squeaky doors driving you crazy? No need to buy expensive lubricants. Simply head to your kitchen and grab some cooking spray. Just spray a small amount on the hinge and swing the door back and forth a few times. The squeak will disappear and you can enjoy some peace and quiet. Bonus tip: if you don't want any residue, wipe off the excess spray after applying it. Works just as well as store-bought lubricant. Let's be honest, garbage disposals can get a little gross. But here's a hack that not only cleans your disposal, but also sharpens the blades. Drop a handful of ice cubes into the disposal and run it for about 30 seconds. The ice helps to dislodge any stuck-on food particles while also sharpening the blades, so your disposal works more efficiently. For a fresh scent, toss in a few citrus peels afterward and run the disposal again. Your kitchen will smell great and your disposal will work like new. And there you have it. 5 simple, effective home maintenance hacks that can make your life a whole lot easier. From keeping your drains clear to silencing those squeaky hinges, these tips are designed to save you time, money, and frustration. If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends who might need these time-saving tricks. Got a hack of your own? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more genius tips and tricks for keeping your home in perfect shape.